Okay, listen, children of the sun, you have not enough time to even comprehend what your civilization has done to exceed the required reproductional capacitational lengths of time where you just let it renew itself. And you hear these words called renewable uses or unrenewable uses. Every single thing going on planet Earth on right now is not only unrenewable, it's way non-renewable. And to get planet Earth back to the shape you left her in is impossible, because the amount of money you have on your planet is like hopefully enough to get me a fucking shit ton shock charge system, which is a kind of repellent that I'm gonna have to spray down the whole shit, because no matter, even if we use every single nuclear bomb, man, you fucking organisms, and you can't even talk with your fucking weird locate, and most of the organisms that reproduce themselves to do more doing of what they do to themselves by doing it, that is called doing what a dude that does doing things is programmed and ordered to do. And